Good morning, guys. Ah, another day to make some gains. As you can see on my tiny eyes, it is very early in the morning, and the video you're about to see is something else that I have never done before. There might be more of it in the future. If you sub, like, and comment, ring the bell, you know the things are deep in the YouTube game now, baby. Alright, let's get to it. So, look, I'm gonna show you a recipe for the best morning coffee / pre-workout that you have ever seen, tasted, gotten the privilege to digest. Look, you can add and remove whatever you want from that recipe. However, there is some key components, especially on workout days. So let's go over them. Alright, so first of all, get yourself a trusted cup of mud. This is mine. It's a pretty simple cup. Got it for donating blood. And as you can see, it's pretty muddy. Look at it. Respect it. This never gets washed, maybe like once every 2-3 months. But this is gonna be our cup. We got a cup of mud. First thing that goes in here is the coffee of your choice. For me, it is instant coffee, and in particular, it's gonna be one that is on sale, because I don't really taste too much of a difference, and I don't really care. As long as it works, I'm fine with it. So in our case, it's gonna be Jacob's Gold. Oh, but I do always look for the bean to be strong. So you know how it shows how many beans there are, indicating the strength. Apparently this one doesn't have it. Doesn't matter. It was on sale, so I bought it. So I basically just eyeball it, but yeah, you do however you want and how much caffeine you can tolerate. So let me get a good shot of this. A little bit more maybe. This should be enough for me. Great, we got the coffee in. It's a bunch of ingredients, so I gotta clean my desk or make room. Alright, next, what I add and think of as being giga important, as in you cannot replace this. Here's some creatine. This is not the creatine that is in here is not the one that came. I'm sorry, I can't brain. It's too early. The creatine that is in here is not the creatine from the box. This box is like years old. I always buy new creatine and just put it into this box because I don't know, I like the box. Anyhow, we add 5 grams, which this is measured, by the way, like this scoop is roughly 5 grams. Got a bunch over my finger now. Back then I thought 5 grams is too much, or could be too much. Depending on your body weight, of course. But recently, studies shown that people show really nice results for brain function. Sorry, I'm gonna look into the camera. Results for brain function if they can tolerate more, up to 20 grams a day. 20 grams a day is also a little expensive for me, so I'm not gonna really go for that. But if you scoop in more than 5 grams, do not be worried, it's all good. Okay, hold on, so this goes here. Next, what I really like to add is some citrulline malate. Again, this box is not the citrulline that is in here is not the one that came in the box. However, I'm using this box. And we go for another 5 grams. And if it's 4 grams, if it's 6 grams, who cares? But this is for blood circulation and giving us a better pump. As I said, this coffee is, I drink this every day, but especially on workout days, I might add 1 gram more of citrulline malate just because we want a little bit of better of a pump. All right, next ingredient I'm adding is taurine, which I put in this honey glass for years as well. Do not ask why. So 5 grams of taurine. I have this every day, guys. And again, like just keeping scoop. Who cares, right? Taurine is gonna help you with cramps and man, I have this is wrong. It's also like gives you energy. I'm taking it for the cramps. That is like my main thought behind it. All right, so we have the coffee, we have citrulline malate, we got creatine and the taurine. So these are like the main components I would never swap out, right? Now, for some added protein, and in this case, we're gonna use collagen protein. I'm adding 3 scoops of collagen protein. It's tasteless and dissolves really good. Sorry, I'm a bad cameraman. So I pre-weighed this before, of course. I got like a nice scale. 10 grams is equal to like 3 scoops of these. Let me move the cam a little bit. Like this. So these are the optional ingredients right now. I just like going for collagen protein. Supposedly helps you with cartilage. And it's just another protein that I'm adding to the whey protein routine that I'm having every day. Because with this coffee, I'm also having oatmeal every day for so many years. And it's amazing. It's the best breakfast ever. Oatmeal, hot water, a scoop of peanut butter if you fancy. And then you just go with the protein powder of your choice. In my case, it's any whey protein that has been on sale. I do have to say though, the Body Lab ones are really cheap and taste really good, especially the cookies and cream. Macadamia nut is amazing. White chocolate is amazing. Strawberry white chocolate is next one I'm gonna try. I tried like 20 different flavors or something. Never been disappointed. Even the toffee one was really great. Now, something that I added just recently is cinnamon. This is not just regular cinnamon. This is Madagascar cinnamon, so-called Ceylon cinnamon. So what this should help with is also, of course, flavor. Flavor is amazing. But it's also supposed to be helping with blood circulation. I do not really know if I'm feeling it, but I like it. And because the cinnamon, oh my god, the smell. Oh, it's so good. Because cinnamon is so strong, I'm just eyeballing it. And it's like a third of the scoop, not even a third of the scoop. And get it in there. Great. It's all coming together, guys. It smells amazing already. I just smell the cinnamon. So because it's workout day, we're adding some salt. I usually go for like 2 grams. It's a lot, but I'm a big guy, so you know I can handle it. Do not worry about the taste. It is supposed to taste a little salty, and it's going to taste amazing. Trust me. I'm just eyeballing this because I've done it so many times. Should be enough. I got the salt in here. Salt is going to help with your muscles contracting and with water getting sucked into the muscles, allowing for bigger pumps. And then the counterpart is going to be potassium. So I got this from a company from a chemical company. It's been years, man. I got this big block. It never goes down. Never crumbles. But whoops, where was I? So the potassium is supposed to help with the exchange of the water with of your muscles. Again, apologies for my slurring, but I just woke up. And I didn't have my coffee yet. So when the salt is getting water into the muscle, potassium is gonna help get water out of the muscle. So you're gonna have a nice exchange there. And here as well, not too much. This is just like a little scoop. On the scale, it would say like something like 1 gram, sometimes 1.5 gram. I'm still experimenting if I feel a difference though, but I'm not really. However, I know it's in my system, and that gives me peace. The function of the creatine. If you guys do not know what creatine is about, it helps you with ATP production, which is force production, and it is a supplement that I'm never gonna go without ever in my life again. It helps brain function and prevents Alzheimer's, and it helps brain function and it prevents Alzheimer's. And lastly, we're gonna add some honey, just simple honey. Same thing, same deal. If it's on the sale, I'm gonna buy it. And the way I'm gonna scoop it is with my mixer. So I'm just gonna do it like this. Scoop it up. Also, gotta get this water ready. Okay, that's a nice scoop. And there we go. So if you don't have one of these mixers, they are amazing. It's like $1 or $2 in your any store. And now what you do is you just pour in the water and press the button. Alrighty, I like to just stir it up here as such. Give it a good stir, all the good ingredients. And then you just fill the rest up with water. Got some nice foam going. And done. Beautiful, dude. It tastes amazing, guys. It tastes sweet. It tastes sour. It tastes salty. It is amazing. You got protein there. You got caffeine. It's gonna get you awake. You got the salt for better performance in the gym. You got all the electrolytes. You got everything you need. It's pretty foamy. Let's give it a lick. Oh, perfect. And that is pretty much it. It's a little bit hot. Yeah, as I said, sweet, sour, and salty. Amazing. Give it a try. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. And I'll see you guys later in the workout stream. It's gonna be push day today. Push day best day. So, hope you guys like this video. There might be more to come. As I said, do all the things, the YouTube things. And you'll see me next time. GG, thank you, boy!